Hey, you there, standing in front of the screen, dreaming of a better financial life. Imagine this. You take just $100. Yes, $100. The equivalent of a fancy dinner or an electricity bill, and in just 90 days, you turn it into $10,000. Sounds like a fairy tale. Well, it's not. It's real, it's possible, and it's a hidden method that almost no one uses. I'm your name, your guide in the world of smart finances. And today, I'm going to reveal this secret that has changed thousands of lives but is ignored by most because it seems too simple. Stay until the end, because I'll show you real proof and how you can start today. Ready to dive in? Before we get into the method, let's talk about why this matters. Most people blow $100 on nonsense and overpriced coffee, an unnecessary outfit, and stay trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But what if I told you that with the right mindset, that $100 could be the start of a financial snowball? I started this way myself, unemployed, with $100 in my pocket, and I used this method to build my first online business. It's not luck, it's not inheritance, it's strategy. The core theme here is the digital snowball method, a lesser-known approach that combines flipping digital assets, AI-powered skills, and building scalable systems. Inspired by viral experiments like the one described on Vocal Media, this method can be a game-changer for you. But fair warning, it requires action and consistency. Ready to transform your life? Let's start with the foundation. Mindset. The number one mistake people make is seeing $100 as small money. The wealthy see it as a seed. In the digital snowball method, you treat that $100 as an initial investment, not an expense. True story. I met a guy named Joe who spent $100 on the lottery and lost it all. In contrast, Maria used the same $100 to buy a cheap domain and flipped it for $500 in a week. The difference? A growth mindset. Emotional tip. Think back to a time you felt financially stuck. Use that frustration as fuel. Start by writing down, my $100 will grow because I will reinvest everything. Now, the heart of the hidden method, flipping digital assets. This is lesser known because most people think of stocks or crypto. But digital assets like domains, low content, books on Amazon, KDP, or digital art are pure gold with a low barrier to entry. With $100, you can buy 5 to 10 undervalued domains on platforms like GoDaddy Auctions for $10 to $20 each. Focus on hot niches, health, finance, AI. Example, buy AIfinance.com for $15. Add value with a simple website using free tools like WordPress, and sell it on Flipper for $300 to $500. Risk. It might not sell quickly, but with research, 80% turn a profit. Next sub-step, publish low-content books on KDP. Use $50 for Canva Pro. Try the free trial first and create planners or journals. Upload for free on Amazon. Sell for $10 each and earn $2 to $5 royalties per unit. In 30 days, with 10 books, you could make $500 to $1,000. Emotional story. Imagine a single mother who started this way and paid her household bills. It's about freedom, not just money. Tip. Use AI like ChatGPT for niche ideas. Reinvest everything into the next step. Time estimate, 1 to 4 weeks to double or triple your money. Here comes the turbo. The skill flip. With the $500 to $1,000 from flipping, invest in AI-powered skills. Why hidden? Because almost no one uses AI for freelancing strategically. Buy a cheap course, $50 to $100 in copywriting or graphic design. But use free AI like Midjourney for art or ChatGPT for texts. Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork and offer services. I write blog posts with AI for $20. Example, a freelancer started with $100 in Fiverr ads, used AI to deliver fast, and earned $2,500 in month 2. Emotional value. This isn't just income, it's empowerment. Imagine how it would feel to make money from your couch. No boss. Risks. High competition, but niches like e-commerce designs are under. Tips. Focus on initial 5-star reviews. Offer free gigs to friends and automate with templates. Goal. Turn $1,000 into $3,000 to $5,000 in 30 to 60 days. Reinvesting 70%. The climax, build a system that works for you. With $3,000 to $5,000, create a micro e-commerce store on Shopify or Etsy for under $100. Basic plan. Sell digital downloads, templates, courses, or presets you created in the skill flip. Use AI for automation, chatbots for support, Zapier for emails. Example, Jason, from a viral experiment, built a niche blog with $100. Used Pinterest ads $200, reinvested, and reached $3,500 month. Emotional math. $100 initial x 5 flipping equals $500. x 5 skills equals $2,500. X for system equals $10,000. Risks. Markets change, so diversify, add affiliates. Tips. Reinvest in organic ads, TikTok, Reels for free traffic. Time, 60 to 90 days to $10,000. That's the snowball, it grows on its own. Final step, maintenance. Once at $10,000, diversify. 30% in index funds for compounding like VOO with 10 to 15% annual returns. Warning, it's not guaranteed. There are risks like losses in flipping or market saturation. Consult an advisor. Emotional note, this is about legacy, not greed. Imagine leaving an inheritance for your family. To sum up, the digital snowball method mindset, flipping AI skills, scalable system, maintenance, from $100 to $10,000 in 90 days with consistent action. You can do this, start today. Remember, knowledge without action is nothing. If this hit home, like, comment, I'm starting with flipping, and subscribe for more tips. Share with a friend who needs this. Next video, AI secrets for finance. Thanks for watching. Go transform your life.